Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about what is take it time in clothing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Take it time. Rate at which a product is required to be produced to meet customer demand. What is take it time? Take it time is the maximum amount of time in which a product needs to be produced in order to satisfy customer demand. The term comes from the German word take it, which means pulse. Set by customer demand, take it creates the pulse or rhythm across all processes in a business to ensure continuous flow and utilization of capacities. Example, man and machine. Often confused with cycle time, take it time is a tool used to design work and it measures the average time interval between the start of production of one unit and the start of production of the next unit when items are produced sequentially. For calculations, it is the time to produce parts divided by the number of parts demanded in that time interval. The take it time is based on customer demand. If a process or a production line are unable to produce at take it time, either demand leveling, additional resources or process reengineering is needed to ensure on-time delivery. For example, if the customer demand is 600 units per week, then given a 40-hour work week and steady flow through the production line, the average duration between production start should be 4 minutes or 240 seconds ideally. This interval is further reduced to account for things like machine downtime and scheduled employee breaks. Take it time versus cycle time versus lead time. Take it time is the allowable time to produce one product at the rate of customer's demand. This is not the same as cycle time, which is the normal time to complete an operation on a product, which should be less than or equal to take it time. Lead time is the time frame between an order being received and the client getting their value. Cycle time is the time your team spends actively working on a customer order. Take it time is the maximum amount of time you need to comply with to meet customer demand. As a lean manager, you should consider all three metrics as key performance indicators of your workflow. Why do we need take it time? Take it time is more than a metric of time. It's a whole different way of thinking for running your operations. First, take it ensures that all the capacity in a business is planned and utilized and still meets overall customer demand. By and large, take it will help to deliver the right product at the right time in the right quantity to the customer. You can achieve RP, RT and RQ without implementing take it. However, this could lead to much waste of man and machine. Second, take it creates a constant pulse across your processes, which will immediately highlight capacity issues, synchronization issues among processes, quality issues and many others. Definition. Assuming a product is made one unit at a time at a constant rate during the net available work time, the take it time is the amount of time that must elapse between two consecutive unit completion in order to meet the demand. Take it time can be first determined with the formula, where T equal to take it time or take it. Example, work time between two consecutive units. TA equal to net time available to work during the period. Example, work time per period. D equal to demand, customer demand during the period. Example, units required per period. Net available time is the amount of time available for work to be done. This excludes break times and any unexpected stoppage time, for example, scheduled maintenance, team briefings, etc. Definition. Take it time equal to time available for production divided by target or required number of pieces. Example, net available time to work equal to one shift into 8 hours or 480 minutes gross time less 30 minutes lunch break into 20 operators equal to 9000 minutes. Customer demand production target equal to 1500 pieces. Take it time equal to 9000 minutes divided by 1500 equal to 6 minutes per piece. This means a unit needs to be completed every 6 minutes. Therefore, every step or operation in assembly needs to be delivered every 6 minutes or multiplies of it in order to be able to keep up with customer demand. Ticket time may be adjusted according to the requirements within a company. For example, if one department delivers parts to several manufacturing lines, it often makes sense to use similar ticket times on all lines to smooth outflow from the preceding station. Customer demand can still be met by adjusting daily working time, reducing downtimes on machine, and so on. Implementation. Ticket time is common in production lines that move a product along a line of stations that each performs a set of predefined tasks. Manufacturing. One-piece flow production, casting of parts, drilling holes, or preparing a workplace for another task. Control task. Testing of parts or adjusting machinery. Administration. Answering standard inquiries or call center operation. Construction management. Scheduling process steps within a phase of the project. Benefits of take it time. Once a take it system is implemented, there are a number of benefits. The product moves along a line, so bottlenecks, stations that need more time than planned, are easily identified when the product does not move on in time. Correspondingly, stations that don't operate reliably, suffer frequent breakdown, etc., are easily identified. The take it leaves only a certain amount of time to perform the actual value added work. Therefore, there is a strong motivation to get rid of all non-value adding tasks like machine setup, gathering of tools, transporting products, etc. Workers and machines perform sets of similar tasks, so they don't have to adapt to new processes every day, increasing their productivity. There is no place in the take it system for removal of a product from the assembly line at any point before completion, so opportunities for shrink and damage in transit are minimized. Problems of take it time. Once a take it system is implemented, there are a number of problems. When customer demands rises so much that take it time has to come down, quite a few tasks have to be either reorganized to take even less time to fit into the shorter take it time, or they have to be split up between two stations, which means another station has to be squeezed into the line and workers have to adapt to the new setup. When one station in the line breaks down for whatever reason, the whole line comes to a grinding halt. Unless there are buffer capacities for preceding stations to get rid of their products and following stations to feed from. A built-in buffer of 3 to 5% downtime allows needed adjustments or recovery from failures. Problems of take it time. Short take it time can put considerable stress on the moving parts of a production system or subsystem. In automated systems, subsystems, increased mechanical stress increases the likelihood of a breakdown, and in non-automated systems, subsystems, personnel face both increased physical stress, which increases the risk of repetitive motion, also stress or strain injury, intensified emotional stress, and lowered motivation, sometimes to the point of increased absenteeism. Task has to be leveled to make sure tasks don't bulk in front of certain stations due to peak in workload. This decreases the flexibility of the system as a whole. The concept of take it time doesn't account for human factors such as an operator needing an unexpected restroom break or a brief rest period between units, especially for processes involving significant physical labor. In practice, this means that the production processes must be realistically capable of operation above peak take it, and demand must be leveled in order to avoid wasted line capacity. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.